Hi lovelies, welcome back to the channel. My name is Oratilwe if you are new here, and welcome to my regular subscribers. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Today we are doing a no makeup look. If you want to know how I got this little cutesy look over here, then I suggest you continue watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell to not miss any type of videos such as this one. And yeah, let's continue with the video. I'm going to start by applying the Prep and Prime by MAC. I'm just going to spray it all over. The reason why I do this is that it kind of gives me like a glow after obviously using your sunscreen. So this kind of gives me like more of a natural kind of glow. Okay, so today I'm literally recording in my bedroom, and my window is like wide open because I have the blind up, so I can see everybody. There's like a hotel in front of me, and there's like buildings, people have balconies, so like it just shows you that I love y'all, because I hate when people look into my phone. Go in with a spoolie just to brush up my brows. I would use gel, the Got2b glue gel, to just like keep them up there, but since we're going for a no makeup look, I just feel like doing this today. I think that makes sense. So before I fill in my brows just a little bit, I'm gonna apply some concealer. I don't know whether to go in with my MAC Studio 24-hour Smooth Way Concealer or my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I think to cover up marks, I'm going to use this one, and for my under eye, I'm going to go with this one. You can see properly. I'm just using a small mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Please let me know how you feel about the sound in this video today. I'm using my Lavia mic, so yeah, let me know if the sound is working, because like there's a whole lot of commotion going on outside right now, so I decided to use my Lavia mic so that you can hear me clearly. I do apply like all over, like just where I see marks that just kind of get to me, if I could say that. I do have like discoloration on my face, on the side of my face, like of acne scars, so some days I don't really care about that, some days I do, so I guess this is like a good skin day. I wait for that to just kind of dry down a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Skin Definer brow pencil. So thin, look at that. I hope you can see it. And then also it has this other side of like a nice spoolie going on. It's very like hard. So I just go in like very little, just to also just kind of give my brows a shaping, you know, like a line just at the front of my brow, and then I'm just gonna brush out that little line that I created there of my brow, like more of a fuller, bushy look. I don't know if you'll see that, so I'm just gonna go tap very lightly where I kind of filled in, to just buff out where I applied. My lips are so dry, so I got distracted. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush just to blend out those small areas that I applied the concealer. Please go down in my description box. I'll have links and the name of products that I used, in case I didn't say them, you know. Let me go dampen the sponge first. I dampened my sponge. Please don't let it not be wet. I think this is wet. That's what I mean by don't let it be wet. Let's give it a few squeeze. Yeah, you see, when you squeeze it out, nothing should come out of it. That's what we mean by damp. You tap on those areas, just a bit, and then just spread it, tap, spread it. Sorry, a bird. I've been having problems. Birds try to get in my house, and so that kind of creeps me out, so I have to close the window. Just realized that I'm supposed to put concealer under my eyes so that while I blend this, it should have had enough time to dry out, but that's okay, I guess. But concealing my under eye, I love a nice, beautiful, clean under eye. And my MAC Studio Fix 24-hour concealer. This baby girl is amazing. Shade NC44. She's more of like a more brighter but like more orangey type of look. So what I do is I go in with my Maybelline first in the shade 40. And just there. And then I love a nice covered under eye, to be honest. I really don't care if people can see that I'm wearing concealer. My eyes gotta be covered, girl. Them eye bags need to be destroyed. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit. This is quite a bit of a weight, I think. I'm still gonna go back in with my foundation brush. So, just the basic kind of motion that I'll use. Just tapping motion on the corner, and then I'll just quickly go to the side as well to kind of give it the same kind of blend. And then I'm gonna go in, and then just kind of towards my nose a little, and then blend out. Just under the eye. The same thing on the other side. We're looking awake. And so I'm gonna go in with my sponge just after blending with the brush. Just tap, 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 and then move your sponge. Tap, tap, tap. Then move your sponge. I don't use any powders, do I? I could be lying to you. For my no makeup looks. I don't think I use powders at all. For my under eye crease, yeah, sure, I guess. But after some time, let me just recheck if I did the right thing. Blend a little more, use a little powder. But we're trying to keep that skin-like finish, so I'm gonna choose not to use it today. And I'm gonna go in again with the brush just to kind of bring back that product back to my face. Honestly, doing a no makeup look on days that you don't feel like doing a full face of makeup kind of helps you to, well, let me say it in my point of view, it kind of helped me a lot with accepting the fact that I have like hyperpigmentation and acne scarring and all that type of stuff, and just kind of looking at my face and seeing the beauty under all that type of stuff, like just being in your face. Obviously, yeah, I did put like product to cover certain things like my eye bags and whatever, but like certain areas like my English is gonna end us, but anyway, high pigmentation on the side of my face, or like the acne scars, even though I'm putting on this concealer, it doesn't like fully cover that problem, do you understand? So it kind of just helps you to fall in love with your face, I guess. I don't know if that even makes sense, but to me it does. Okay, this is just more of like a confident boost without like putting a ton of makeup on your face, which I still love. I still love a full coverage look, to be honest, but we all have those days, right? Apply some blush. I think this is the only powder-ish product that I put on my face. So I'm using the Fushini Pocket Eyeshadow Palette. I actually went to an event with my friend and I got this. We got this as like little guest gifts, whatever things. So I'm gonna go in with this shade. I'm gonna tap a little into the shade and then tap a little into the shade of our hand. But blush, I kid you not, blush just makes you look alive. Like, it brightens your look so much. I'm a full advocate of blush. Like, I believe in blush. Just apply it on my nose a little, just to kind of give it more of a contour type of look, a blushy kind of contour look. And just into the apple and just drag it up. Apple, drag it up, and a little in the corner of my eye to kind of give it a shape and more color to my face. Give it more of a flushed, pinky, rosy look to just kind of diffuse. It's just, there's no product on this brush, just to diffuse whatever product I applied. Mascara. My product has come to an end. This is the Essence Lash Brow. This has been through a lot, because this was my holy grail. I used it literally every day of my life, even if I don't have makeup on, just to brush my lashes. I use it every day, but it lasted me quite a while. We all know we keep things and they still expired. I just want to see when I got this, because it's been a while, probably 2 years. With my clean spoolie, I'm just kind of brush it out just a little as well. Just to kind of make it look lengthening, because I have very thick, let me say, full lashes, but they're not thick, but they're quite short, you know. So I just want to have the illusion of like long lashes a little. And with my prep and prime again, because we are basically done. Basically, I think that went in my mouth. I talk a lot. You yappa. Okay, so while I wait for that to kind of dry out, we're gonna go in with mascara. I actually have 2 different mascaras, one from Fushini, and which is the volume Fushini one, and then the smudge extreme length. This is what I want for today. I want length. Amazing. So usually I just use like toilet paper to wipe off the excess product. I'm too lazy to stand up, to be honest. I'm not gonna do that, I'm sorry. Take that little product and just with a very light hand, because there's a lot of product here, just at the top of my lashes, just apply that product to kind of make it look like there's something going on there. Not too much though, because we're still trying to look like we don't have makeup on. Get just to brush out that product into my lashes. Little wing, very little. We're gonna head to a little bit of highlight. So I'm gonna go in with the same palette, and I'm gonna go in with that pinky glittery product. I love this stuff so much. Like, light will usually reflect, so we're trying to make it look like I'm glowing my butt off as I possibly, like, naturally possibly can. Okay, so my phone kind of stopped recording. I was busy telling you that I'm gonna apply this product over here, this shade over here of the same palette on my lips. So I was busy doing that to kind of give my lips life. Glittery shade right here, and just apply it right here at the center of my nose. Just ruffle out with my finger. And that's literally the whole look, the end of the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Please let me know if this was helpful or entertaining in the comments down below, and don't forget that I put everything in the description box with the links connected to it. And yeah, I will see you on the next one.